why you're actually watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the OKX Copy Trading feature, which allows you to make good sum of money just by copying another particular trader. So basically, how you get started, you need to create an account with OKX, and after that, you get to this page where it says verify now. So it means this, click on this verify now, and you're going to get to the KYC section where you have to submit your identification to get verified. It's going to take take about like 1 to 2 days or 1 to 3 days to get verified, and that's all. But right now my account is not verified, but we can actually proceed with the video. So basically, once you've done that, you come to the trade section. On this trade section, scroll down, you're going to see copy trading. Click on copy trading and it's also going to open. So this is how the copy trading looks like. So as you can see, this is my account right here, and you can see lead traders. So basically, you can also become a lead trader on this platform if you actually know more about trades. You can go ahead and do that. So apart from the, you see right now we have features copy trading. We also have the spot copy trading. So I'm on the currently on the features copy trading section. If I click on the spot copy trading, it will take me to the spot copy trading section, which is very easy. And if you scroll down, you notice that this are my, to show my copies. I can click here to see the trades I'm actually copying. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to look, you're going to see this. So you can see this particular trader. You can see is lead trader P profit profit slash loss margin. You know, like this is plus 55%, which is cool. You can see this user is around plus 153%. So you can see all these profits slash loss margin that you can actually see right here. So you can see their win rates. You can see their win rates. So you can see this win rate for this user is 75%. This one is 72, this one is 62, this one is 80%. So depending on the trader you want to go ahead and copy. So let's say I want to copy this trader dry peg jack. I'll click on copy and it's going to open the copy section where I have to input informations about the trade. So remember, I'm on the I'm on the features copy trading section basically. So what you have to do is you have to make sure your asset as USDT needs to be in the futures section. So you have to put in the amount. So you see right now, if you look at this, it says greater than 100. It has to be greater than 100. If you put 20, you notice it won't work. So you need to have at least minimum of 100 USDT to get started with the futures copy trading. So right now I have about 0 USDT here, so I can't do that. So once you have the amount in your wallet, just click on that. You can click on come to advanced, and for futures copy trading, it's advisable that you set a stop loss. Set a stop loss, all right. Set a stop loss, all right, so you don't get liquidated, right? So do that, and you click on I've read agreements, and you can copy, and just go ahead and copy immediately. It's that easy. And another thing you need to note is if you come to this spot copy trading section, and if you come to the spot copy trading section, if you decide to copy it, maybe you want to copy, you prefer the spot section instead, you can come to the spot copy trading and scroll down, and you see so many things. You can actually just click I'll click copy this user, for example, since I don't have any assets. And so you see it also works same way. You just put in the amount, but this time around in the spot copy trading, you can use minimum of $10. All right, you can see I don't have $10 in my account, so I can't do that. So you need about $10. Put in $10 and you can put in the maximum amount you want and all. Then if you click on advance, advance will show you which assets you want to go ahead and trade and all those things. You can select any of the assets or select any assets you want, but I prefer you select all assets because you don't know which asset this particular trader is going to trade for that day. So you have to make sure you select all assets. And if you come down here, it says stop loss. When it comes to spot copy trading, it's not advisable for you to set stop loss. Basically, for me, I don't really prefer you setting stop loss on it because in sports you are not losing. You remember, sports is more like buying something and waiting for the price to increase, and when the price increases you make money. But other than the futures, whereby they only make money if you predict the market is going to move up or the market is going to move down. So if you say even in futures, if you say the market is moving up and the market is moving down and your stop loss is set on that position where the graph is going down, you may actually get liquidated. But in sports, if the market is going down, you only lose. Your money is already there. It's invested already. Yeah, it just keeps going down. It means your money keeps going down. But once that particular asset start rising again, you get your money back, and it's rising. So that's how it works. So it works just like your normal currency, normal currency pair. Let's say euro against the US dollar. So if the US dollar has more strength than the euro, then you're going to lose your euro compared to you're going to lose your euro and you gain more dollar, something like that. So now I'm sure you understand everything about this copy trading. So basically, let me show you how to go ahead and transfer your assets from spot to futures. So if you come to this asset section and click on transfer, you're going to get to that section. All right, you're going to get to that section. So right now what you do is, and it says I need to verify my account, and I can't verify my account right now. So I'll click on the asset. Let's say the asset is USDT, set to USDT. You can set any asset you want, and you click from funding. Let's say when you just got your money into OKX, it will be in funding, or maybe use the P2P section, it will be in funding. Then from the funding, you have to take it directly into your trading. Then you put in the amount. I'll just click on max. I'll click on transfer. So you can see I had those few cryptos, but it's not working. It's saying I need to verify my account before I can transfer. So this is how you can actually transfer. So once you have that inside, it's gonna be in your trading account. So your trading account looks like this. All right. So your trading account looks like. So that's it, guys. I think I've explained everything concerning copy trading on OKX. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, kindly like, and I will see you guys in the next video.